12.2.2, page 6, example 12.2.1. 12.2.1. The cross section of a shed is a trapezium ABCD, where AB is equals to 2.5 meters and BC is equals to 3 meters. If the area of ABCD is 5.5 meters square, find the length of AD. So all the information is already given in the diagram here. Now instead of finding the area is given to you. Okay, so the area of the trapezium is given to you, and AB is also given, BC is also given, and you are now supposed to find AD. Okay, your job is to find AD. So you realize that the two parallel sides, one of them is AD, which is the one that you're supposed to find. And they say that AB is 2.5 meters and AB is the perpendicular height. Okay, so let's put it inside the formula. So first we write down what we know. Area of ABCD is equals to 5.5 meters square. And the area of ABCD is a trapezium. So you can write down your formula of the area of trapezium, which you should memorize by now. Half times A plus B times the perpendicular height equals to 5.5. Next step is to substitute in whatever values that we know. So we know one of the parallel side, 3, and we are supposed to find the other parallel side, and we know the height is 2.5. So put it inside here. We should get half times 3 plus AD. Okay, AD is the other side that we are supposed to find, times height equals to 5.5. So the height we also know 2.5, so we can put in the height 2.5. Okay, so half times 3 plus AD times 2.5 equals to 5.5. So now we only have one unknown, which is AD. Okay, this is what we are supposed to find. The next step is just to manipulate the equation to find AD. So the first step is to get rid of the half. What must we do? We multiply both sides by by 2, sorry. Multiply both sides by 2. So we will get 3 plus AD times 2.5 is equals to 11. Now, how do we get rid of the 2.5? We divide both sides by 2.5. So 3 plus AD is equals to 11 divided by 2.5. And lastly, AD is 11 over 2.5 minus 3, and you will get 1.4 meters. Okay. Next, let's go on to example 12.2.2. The diagram shows a trapezium with parallel sides 18 cm and 10 cm. So they tell you that these two are the parallel sides. So I show on my diagram 18 and 10 cm, they are parallel. Its height is 9 cm. So the height is already given also, 9 cm. A triangle with height 5 cm and base 6 cm is removed from the trapezium. Find the remaining area. So this question is quite straightforward. What you need to do is just to take the area of the trapezium minus the area of the triangle, and you'll get the remaining area. So let's present our answers properly. So the question is asking for the remaining area, so I'm going to write my statement down. Remaining area is equals to the area of trapezium minus the area of the triangle. Okay, so area of trapezium, we already learned the formula, half times a plus b times height. And the area of triangle, we already know that is half times base times height. Okay, now the next step is just to make sure you substitute in the correct values into the formula. So the sum of the parallel sides a plus b is 18 plus 10, half times 18 plus 10 times the perpendicular height, which is 9, and minus the area of the triangle, half times 5 times 6. Okay, you just work this out and you will get 126 minus 15, which will give me the final answer is 111 cm squared. So that is the remaining area, and this is how you should present your working.